Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I am going to explain how to install my WebSQL application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, MyWebSQL is an open source web-based client used for managing database. It's designed with a simple user interface and supports all major web browsers like Chrome, Firefox and Opera. It allows the user to create and edit a table structure without knowing the queries. The MyWebSQL application requires the observer to functionally based on LAMP setup on your system and requires some of the PHP modules. I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system, so I have to proceed the installation of MyWebSQL application on my system. Now I am going to download a MyWebSQL application package using this following command. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. The downloading is completed now. Now we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the downloaded package. The downloaded package is a zip file, so we need to unzip the package using these following commands. Then hit enter. The unzipping is completed now. Now we can list out the files, and then here we can see the MyWebSQL application directory. Now I am going to move this directory into the following path, and then here I have to mention a destination. Now I am going to change into the following directory, and then here I have to list out the files, and then here we can see the MyWebSQL application directory, and then here we have to change ownership and permission of the MyWebSQL application directory using these following commands. Now I am going to create a new host configuration for accessing MyWebSQL application, and then here I have to create a new file. Then hit enter. The file is open now, and then here we can proceed the host configuration. After making the host configuration, we have to save and exit from this file. Now we have to enable the site accessing for new creation of host configuration. Now we have to disable the default site access. Then we have to enable the rewrite module. Now we have to restart the Apache service using this following command. Now we have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we have to give the following URL, and then here we have to mention a local IP address or a domain name, so I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is open now. Now we are in a login page of MyWebSQL application, and then here we can see the version of MyWebSQL application. I have already created the database and database username and give the privileges to access the MyWebSQL application database. So here I have to give my username and password. Then we have to click login. The site is open now. Now we are in a admin dashboard of MyWebSQL application, and then here we can see the major configuration modules to making a database service. These are all the installation process about how to install MyWebSQL application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel linuxhelp. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.